everybody. I miss you guys so much. I hope you are doing so well. I'm so sad that we won't be in school for the rest of the year, but hopefully we'll be able to see each other in the next coming weeks, at least from a distance. Okay, we're going with our reading program, our lesson for the day, and we're doing our spelling for the week is the O-O, spelling for the long vowel, and it actually sounds like a U, so it sounds like ooh, ooh, so the long vowel sound of ooh, so it doesn't actually sound like a U, it sounds like ooh, as if you ate something you didn't like, ooh, ooh, so as in spoon, ooh, spoon. Okay, let's blend the words with the long vowel sound, ooh, ool, tool, oop, loop, ool, cool, oot, root, oot, boot, oop, hoop, tooth, tooth. Now we'll look at these pictures that use the O-O sound for the long vowel U. Write the word on your board, or we're just going to use our voices. We have tooth, tooth, oot, root, oot, boot, oop, hoop, moon, moon. Now let's read the sentences with the long U spelled O-O on your personal board. I know it's weird that it's a long U, even though it's two O's. The moon was bright tonight, moon. Throw the ball into the hoop, hoop. Look at my cool room, cool and room. Now let's build the words. So let's read the word tool. Now change the beginning sound to k, cool. Now build the word boom. Now change the beginning sound to, where am I going to be? I can't find a place to put myself. Change the beginning sound to oom. Build the word oot. Now change the beginning sound to oot, boot. Now read each sentence in a whisper voice and then talk to someone in your family about how to finish the sentence. My favorite tool is... What's your favorite tool? My favorite tool is probably... unfortunately, maybe it's a ruler. A ruler to measure things, or a calendar. Okay, let's move my... When I see a full moon, What do you do when you see a full moon? I usually say, that is so pretty. Oh, forgot one. Name a vegetable that we eat that is a root vegetable. So, probably the most frequent one that people eat is a carrot. A carrot is a root. Okay. The letters U-E can make the long U sound. So this time the long U is going to say U. So let's see. We have G-O-O, glue. Now we will use blend the words to make the long U sound spelled U-E at the end of a word. B-bl-oo, blue. Cool-oo, clue. U-ol, fuel. There's one not at the end of the word. Argue, argue. I hope you're not arguing while you're home. Okay, look at these pictures. These pictures use U-E to spell the long sound U. Write the word on your board. So we're just going to use our voices. U-ol, fuel. Gasoline. Fuel. It's called fuel. Oh no, look at these kids. Argue, argue. Clue, clue. Bull-oo, blue. Now read the sentences with the long U spelled U-E on your personal board. You can use a piece of paper, or you can just use your voice with me and practice. Okay. It is not good to argue. Argue has a U-E. My favorite color is blue. Blue has the U-E spelling pattern. We do not have a clue. It should be I missed the other. Who stole the fuel? Oh no, that'd be bad if someone stole your gasoline. Okay, build the word. Sorry, did you hear my phone ring? It was Miss Cindy on the phone asking a question. Sure miss you guys. Gosh, it's so empty here and quiet. I'll show you the room in just a minute. It looks like a mess. A mess. I'm cleaning it up and it looks like a mess. Okay, sorry. So build the word cool, ooh, clue. Change the beginning sound to B, bull, ooh, blue. Now we're going to read each sentence in a whisper voice and talk to someone in your family about how to finish the sentence. Something blue. Can you think of something blue? I thought of a lake. Something blue is a lake. I sometimes argue with my husband lately. Dad puts fuel in the car, boat, maybe RV, four-wheeler, lawnmower. Okay, the letters E-W spell the long U sound also. So you can tell we're working with the long U sound this week. So we have this cow, ooh, chew. So remember, I always did the pinchy, ooh, ooh. But this one is spelled differently. I need you guys to come back to school. My mind isn't working. The O-W is ow. E-W is ooh. Okay, so ooh, chew. Okay, the phonics. Blend the sounds to make the word with the long U sound spelled E-W. So once again, we don't have a U sound and there's no U in it, but it is the long U. So we have dur, ooh, drew, gur, ooh, grew, st, ooh, stew, skr, ooh, screw, bull, ooh, blue, ooh, new. Like my name, New Kirk. Look at the pictures. These pictures use E-W to spell the long U sound. Write the word on your individual board. You can write them on a piece of paper or a whiteboard if you have it, or just use your voice. Okay. Dur, ooh, drew. Gur, ooh, grew. St, ooh, stew. Do you like stew? I don't care for stew. Skr, ooh, screw. Bull, ooh, blue. Okay, read the sentences and write the words spelled with the write the words with the long U spelled E-W on your personal board. And since we don't have those, we can use our voices. Tim blew the hot stew. Blew and stew. I liked the news that our plants grew. We watched the news as I drew the flag. News and drew. Okay, we're going to build the word with the long U spelled E-W. Build the word, read the word, drew, drew. Now change the beginning sound from d to gr, gr, ooh, grew. St, ooh, stew. Now change the beginning sound from st to skr, skr, ooh, screw. Build the word, ooh, new. Now change the beginning sound from n to b, bull, bull, ooh, blue. Good job. Okay, read each sentence in a whisper voice and then talk to someone from your home to finish the sentence. I drew a... What's the latest thing that you drew? Lately I drew a rainbow and put it on my window as a sign for us to be positive, keep going. I would like a new... Oh, this one's hard. I would like a new set of tires for my car. My car needs new tires, but boy, they cost a lot of money. I blew up. You know I love bubble gum. I blew a bubble. Okay, the letters U, I can also... Oh, there's my husband. Hold on. Sorry, he's bringing me lunch. So I had to tell him what I wanted. Oh no, You almost fell. Now you're too high. Oh, can you see me? Okay. All right. Fruit. Fruit. So, blend the words that have the U-I long U sound U-I, spelled U-I. Suit. Suit. Ooin, ruin. Juice. Juice. Ooze, cruise. Ooze, bruise. Now let's look at the pictures. Suit, suit. Ooze, cruise. Ooze, bruise. Oh, poor guy. Juice. That C has the soft S, the soft C that sounds like an S, the C-E. Okay, now we're going to read the sentences that have the U-I. We went on a cruise. Cruise. I drank some juice. Juice. Duke wore a suit. Suit. Now let's read the sentences in a whisper voice. I want to go on a cruise to... Where would you like to go on a big boat? Maybe Alaska? I got a bruise on my knee, usually shin, knee. Oh gosh, I missed one. My favorite fruit is... What is your favorite fruit? I love bananas. Okay, also, one more way to spell the long U sound U, consonant E, can also make the long U sound. So we have cube, cube, tune, tune, rule. Sorry, my phone's making noise. Mule, mule, mute, mute, cute, cute, full, flute, tube, tube. Okay, look at the pictures. Look at that cute. It's like a horse, but it's a mule. Mule. Oh gosh, I missed one. Tube, tube. It's like a test tube, or test tube for science. Fume, fume. Fume is like a smell coming from gasoline, or anything maybe. What else would have fumes? I'm not sure right now. Flute, flute. Okay, let's read the sentences with those words in and with the long U spelled U consonant E. We saw a cute mule, cute and mule. Pam played a tune on the flute, tune and flute. It is rude to pass crude notes. Crude would be not very nice things to say. Okay, read each sentence in a whisper voice. What would you do with a mule? Maybe you could have it carry things for you. What is something to do? What is something that you do when you are rude? Maybe you talk over someone when they're talking. What is something that is cute? Puppies. Puppies are cute. Okay, let's do our high frequency words really quickly. I'm running out of time here. I only have 15 minutes to make my video, so I will answer the phone. Answer. Sam brought his flute to school. Brought. We had a busy day at school today. I wish we had a busy day at school. Busy. Who opened the door? Door. Do we have enough time to play the game? Enough. The GH says the sound there. The snail has large eyes. Eyes. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Hope to see you soon, even if it's from a distance. Stay safe, stay healthy.